Good morning, student. 6th standard physics unit 1 measurement. What is measurement? Yes, comparison of unknown quantities with some known quantities. Okay, comparison of unknown quantities with some known quantities. Okay, students. Students, here we see some measuring tools. Okay, what is the measuring tools? Meter scale, measuring tape, balance, stop clock. Meter scale, already we know meter scale or ruler. Okay, meter scale is used to measure length of the object. Okay, small object. Okay, student. Then here we see measuring tape. Measuring tape is used to measure length of the distance. Okay, here we see longer length. Okay, longer length used to measure measuring tape. Then here we see balance. Balance is used to measure mass of the object. Okay, student. Then stop clock. Stop clock is used to measure time. Okay, accurate time of the activity. Okay, students. Students, today we discuss about the topic length. What is length? The distance between one point and the other desired point is known as the length. The distance between one point and the other desired point. Desired point means selected point. Okay. Desired point is known as length. Okay, students. The unit of length is meter. Okay. The unit of length is meter. It is denoted small m. Okay, students. Then we see some examples here. Shortener, lamppost and distance between school and home. Okay, student. Then what is this? Shortener. Yes, here we measure short length or very small length. Okay, short length or very small length. The length of the shortener is 1.5 centimeter. For example, length of the shortener is 1.5 centimeter. Here 1 centimeter, it is also known 1 centimeter 5 millimeter. Okay, student. So short length is measured in centimeter or millimeter. Okay, students. Then we see what is this lamp post. Here we measure larger length. Okay, here we measure larger length. Larger length measured in meter. Okay, students. This length is measured in meter. This length is measured in meter. Okay, student. Then here we see the distance between school and home. Okay, the distance between school and home. How to express still longer length? For example, distance between two cities, distance between school and home, we measure still longer length. Okay, students, we measure very larger length. Very large length measured in kilometer. Kilometer. Okay, student. Students, here we measure the length of the pencil. Okay, first we said the head of the pencil has to coincide with 0 of the scale. The head of the pencil has to coincide with the 0 of the scale. Okay, 0 of the scale. Then count the number of centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, then count the number of finer division. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we have the answer 14 centimeter, 5 division. Okay, 5 millimeter. Finally, the length of the pencil we measure 14.5 centimeter. It is also denoted 14 centimeter. Here 5 is the millimeter. Millimeter. How to measure millimeter? The division. Okay. Here we count the division. Finally, the length of the pencil 14.5 centimeter. Here 14 centimeter. 5 millimeter. Okay, students. Here measure the length of the pencil. We note some ideas. Always keep the object parallel to the scale. Always keep the object parallel to the scale and start the measurement from 0 of the scale. Measurement from 0 of the scale. Okay, student. Students, here one activity. Find the length of the length of a curved line using a string. Okay, find the length of a curved line using a string. What is string? A thick thread used for binding. Okay, a thick thread is also a string. Okay, student, here first we draw the curved line. Students, here we see place a string, thread is a string. Okay, place a string along a curved line, make sure that here we make sure that the string covers very bit of the curved line. Okay, students, then mark the points where the curved line begins and end of the string. Starting point and here ending point we mark it. Okay, students, now we stretch the string along the length of the meter scale. Okay, stretch the string along the length of the meter scale. Finally, we measure the distance between two marking string. Okay, students, this will give the length of the curved line. Okay, students, find the length of the curved line. We measure 14.3 centimeter. Okay, students, do you understand? Okay, find the length of the curved line using string. First, we draw a curved line AB on a paper and place a string along the curved line. Then make sure that the string covers a very bit of curved line. Then mark the points where curved lines begins and end of the string. Now stretch the string along the length of the meter scale. Then measure the distance between two marking of the string. Okay, students, finally we give length of the curved line is equal to 14.3 centimeter. Okay, students, follow this. Students, we measure the length of the curved line using divider. This is the another method. Using divider, we measure length of the curved line. Okay, students, first we draw a curved line. AB on a paper. Okay, then separate the legs of the divider. It is a divider. Legs of the divider divide by 0.5 centimeter or 1 centimeter. Okay, here I have 1 centimeter. I get 1 centimeter. Okay, students, here we see I have 1 centimeter in the divider. Okay, then place it on the one end. Starting from one end, mark the position of other end. Okay, here cut like this. Okay, the 1 centimeter is cut like this. Used to move it along the line again and again. Move it along the line again and again, cutting to the number of segment of equal length. Okay, number of segment of equal length. We have many segments. Okay, we have many segments. Then students, the remaining part of the line can be measured using scale. We have 5 millimeter. Okay, students, then do the formula. Length of the curved line is equal to number of segments into length of each segment. Okay, plus length of leftover part. Here we see number of segments. We have number of segments 12 segments. Okay, so 12 into length of the each segment is 1 centimeter plus length of the leftover part 5 millimeter. We read it 5 millimeter. So finally 12 into 1 is equal to 12 plus 5 millimeter. So finally we get 12.5 centimeter. It is also right 12 centimeter 5 millimeter. So finally we have the length of the curved line using a divider. We have 12 centimeter 5 millimeter. Okay, students, thank you.